Good morning guys, my name is Gaurish and welcome back to another video. Today the hot stocks that we'll be watching will be the plasma stocks because Trump administration granted emergency authorization for coronavirus plasma treatment on August of 23rd. So the plasma stocks will be hot today because lots of people will be buying into these stocks. So the first stock that I'll be talking about is Sonnet Biotherapeutics Holdings, ticker symbol SONN. The pre-market price is 3.70, and why I selected this stock was that because as I told you before, the FDA has okayed the emergency use for COVID-19, and because of that, the Son stock has pre-market. In the pre-market, it has boosted up by 96% because of robust volume. So this is the stock to watch for today. And the next stock that I'll be talking about is Cancer Genetics. All of these are plasma stocks. The ticker symbol for Cancer Genetics is CGIX, and the present market price is 9.23. It opened at 2.85 pre-market, and then it boosted up to 916 today. So this is one of the good stocks to watch today. So the news that came in today morning for this was Cancer Genetics and Stemonix signed a definitive agreement to merge. Because of that reason, this stock has boosted up for today. The next stock that I am thinking is ADMA Biologics Inc. Ticker symbol ADMA. The pre-market price is 3.33, and the news that came in was this is also a plasma stock. So because of recent sell off, and they are opening another plasma collection facility and growing sales 78% in H1 2020 over the period year. That's why this stock is in news today, and lots of people are buying into the stock because of huge volumes. The fourth stock that I'll be looking at today will be Gorse Metropolis Inc. Ticker symbol GMHI. The at in the morning it opened at $10.65, and then it boosted up to $14, and then it again came back to $11.34. So and why did it boost was that because there's another company named as Lidar Tech Company, Lumina, to go public via merger with blank check company Gorse Metropolis. This was the news that came in at 7:16 today. So this is another stock to watch. And I like before investing into this stocks, just have a look at Pixie, because on Friday this stock was boosted by like huge amount. So the strategy that we have to apply is this is a great example when we have to invest in these stocks. In the pre-market, this stock this stock was around 3 point something, and then it already made a high at that time. So when the stock market opened, it slowly and steadily went above the pre-market highs, and that is when you have to invest. Like here somewhere you have to invest in the stock and wait for like boost up to $1 or $2, and then just exit the stocks as soon as possible and book your profits. So this is how you have to invest in this penny stocks. Don't wait too long into these stocks. That's it for this today's videos. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting the penny stocks videos every morning, so that you can have a look at those stocks and decide whether to invest in those companies or not. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.